Today's featured truck of the day is a 1966 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck, a custom. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in February of 2021. And it only bid to $15,750, but did not sell. And the seller in his description didn't say anything. So don't know what size motor, what tranny or anything. More than likely, it's probably just a 6-cylinder, 3 on a tree, but didn't say anything about it. Looks like somebody had restored it or did some paint and cosmetic restoration to it because the bed had been redone too. So I would say it was probably restored, but it was a just a stock looking truck. It looks like it's been lowered, but had a good look to it and gave you a good base to do something with if you're looking for a good candidate, especially for 15 grand to start with. But anyway, that's today's featured truck of the day, a 1966 Chevrolet C10 custom pickup truck that bid to $15,750, but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.